So not only do you need to be able to choose reliable sources of information for your research, you need to make it clear to the reader what sources you have used. So for this assignment, I want you to be able to make a very clear list at the end of your report, and your list will look something like this. So at the top here, I have a YouTube video that I have used, okay? And whether it's a YouTube video or whether it's a website, you're going to do it exactly the same way. So using this, I'm finding, so this is on endangered animals. So here we have at the bottom the title, okay? And we have the actual, so this is the title of the page and this is the title of the actual website. So here on our document, we have the title of the page, and look, it's got quotation marks at the beginning and quotation marks at the end. So whether it's the title of your page or the title of the video, then the titles come with quotation marks, and then this is the actual website, okay? And then here we've got the web address, and you find the web address up at the top, and if you click on it, it will be highlighted, and then you can just hit Control C, and then you can paste this across here. And I've taken out the HTTPS and I've just left it with a www. You could actually take the W's out as well. So you just have the web address, and you would do that whether it was a video or whether it was an article. You may have used a book, and what you do with your book is you write the author's name, the surname, the last name, with a comma, first name, then a period, and then you put in the title of the book. And the title of the book goes in italics. Okay, not quotation marks. A title of a book goes in italics. Now, you may have used an encyclopedia. Look at that dog. Oh my goodness. A bit like this one. Now, because this has many authors, you won't find an author listed on the front. So here you're looking for the overall collection of people, and this one is Dorling and Kindersley. So what I've done with this is I've started with the title of the book, okay, the Dog Encyclopedia, the Definitive Visual Guide. Again, it's in italics because it's the name of the book. And then I have just put in DK. Actually stands for Dorling and Kindersley, but in this case we can just go for DK because that's the group of people. It might be Britannica, it might be, goodness, there's loads of names. Okay, you just have to look very carefully at your book. There's other information that we'll start to add, and you will add as you move up through the grades, but this is the basic information that I want you to get down. One final thing I want you to notice. These get organised in alphabetical order. So E, S, T. All right, the first piece of information that you put down there is how you organise it in alphabetical order. Okay, so I'm starting with extinct, then Smith, remember his last name, then T. Okay, so you organise these, and if you highlight them, you can actually just drag them up and down, which really helps with that information. So on your research notes, just go ahead and get this information already organised, and then you can copy and paste this onto your final document. Okay, so that's your task as well as your research.